Hello everyone, I'm extremely happy to meet you all in another bottle painting video. Now in this bottle, I'm going to paint the base with maroon color. Let me paint the base first and then start decorating with more dots. So far I have been using only one side stroke, and I would continue to follow that so that it looks little smooth when it is dry. Almost the entire bottle is covered, only this portion is left out. So if you see now, the entire bottle is painted in maroon. Let this dry. I'm going to let it dry for about 2-3 hours and then start decorating it. Now in this bottle, the base paint is completely dry, and when I saw it, I didn't feel like doing the second coat. So I'm straight away going to decorate the bottle with some more dots. Now what I'm going to do is a very simple design with bamboo green and this tool. Let's start dotting. I'm starting from the base. This is the pattern that I have dotted. Now what I'll do is I'll start with one dot here and then 3 dots. This is a very simple pattern, even a child can do. Now in the next column here, so what I'll do is I'll keep a single dot here and then 3 dots, single, 3 dots, single. So I'll just alternatively change the pattern, and that's how I'm going to paint the base portion of this entire bottle. Now I'll paint here. So when you're dot painting on a bottle, make sure the paint is not too thin or too thick. It should be creamy so that when you dot paint on a bottle, it doesn't fall down. If the paint that you have already is very thin, you can certainly use a gel medium to thicken the paint, and then you can use the same paint to paint on a bottle. No problem when you're painting on a flat surface, but when you are painting in a bottle, consistency of the paint is very important. So I think in the available space I can paint 2 more columns of dots. Let's see how it goes. According to me, when you paint on a bottle, the measurement cannot be done so perfectly. It's generally based on hand and eye coordination. Sometimes at the last moment you'll have to make some adjustments. So this is the last column of dots. So generally for these dots to fully dry, even without that sticky texture, you will have to let it dry for 48 hours after the dot painting is fully over. So now I'm going to paint the top portion of the bottle with the same color. I'm using this tool and the same bamboo grain. So here what I'm going to do is to keep two small dots here. Now I'm going to work the dots. So now I'll do the second layer of working the dots here. It's only one-sided. Now below this pattern I'm going to keep 3 dots. This is a pretty smaller tool than the one I used here. So I'm going to top dot on all these green dots with maroon. That's the base color.